Unraveling the mystery, the meaning behind ring off the hook. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind the phrase, ring off the hook. If you've ever heard someone say their phone is ringing off the hook, and wondered what on earth they mean, then you're in the right place. Let's get into it and explore this interesting expression together. First up, let's talk about where this phrase comes from. The expression, ring off the hook, has its roots in the old days of telephones. Originally, telephones had a literal hook that the receiver would rest on. When a call came in, the telephone would ring, and if it rang loudly or continuously, it could metaphorically knock the receiver off its hook. So, when someone says their phone is ringing off the hook, they're painting a picture of a phone that's ringing so much, it's as if it can't stay on the hook. Now, let's break down what the phrase means in today's context. Even though modern phones no longer have hooks, the phrase has stuck around. When someone says their phone is ringing off the hook, they mean that they are receiving an overwhelming number of phone calls or messages. It's often used to describe situations where the person is in high demand, whether it's for their time, attention, or expertise. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here's how you can incorporate ringing off the hook into your conversations. To describe popularity, after the article featured her bakery, her phone was ringing off the hook with orders. To emphasize urgency or emergency, during the storm, the emergency hotlines were ringing off the hook. To express being overwhelmed, since the announcement, our customer service line has been ringing off the hook. Remember, it's a figurative expression and should be used in contexts where it's clear that you're speaking metaphorically, not literally. There you have it, folks. The next time you hear someone say their phone is ringing off the hook, you'll know exactly what they mean. This phrase is a fun and vivid way to convey the idea of being in high demand or receiving a lot of attention. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting expression. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.